Welcome back to the channel, Money Makers. Some of you may remember that I've been promoting this app and this advertisement platform called Royaltie. For as little as $59 a month, you can get your business or your platform or whatever you want to do in front of 5,000 eyeballs for as little as $59 a month. I'll leave a link down below, and you also can become an affiliate where it can pay off lucrative if you into affiliate marketing like that. I'm presently as what I'm doing right now. I'm not really into affiliate marketing, but since this is a money making channel, I do want to put that out there. What Royaltie is basically an all-in-one platform where you can build your as many as unlimited landing pages depending on the program you select, email campaigns, lead captures. So right now we're going to talk about one of the lead captures that they present to you, or you can have by just joining Royaltie for that $59 a month. And so this is, I'm going to click out here. This is called content marketing. So what the content marketing is they have a list of articles or videos from different sites that's not clickbait sites, such as Entrepreneur Magazine and different magazine articles or videos from either Facebook, YouTube, or whatever that you're able to use as a lead content or a lead content or a lead capture, or just a post on your social media sites just to engage with your viewers there. So they have a list of different businesses that you can go into: real estate, personal services, income opportunities, if you're doing affiliate marketing, and if you know people that's doing e-commerce, retail, education, financial services, if you're an insurance person, if you're into working out, home services, travel. I know you see if you've seen a prior video of marketing boost, which is a travel website where you can use that to get content and sell vacation packages. So that'll be good for that. Automotive, investment, business services. But today we're just gonna go into e-commerce, and we're gonna select this article. So what you can do is 9 tips to make your e-commerce wildly successful. You can view the article, or you can just click on it and hit select, and the article will come up. But I like to view the article just to see what I'm getting. Alright, as you can see, it just has different 9 different steps that you can actually use for your e-commerce. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here. Yeah, you're going to click here, just copy, go back here. They're still working on a platform where you can actually just select it and then hit select, and then it'll just populate to your social media page or your website or something. These articles really don't pertain to, these videos really don't pertain to what we're doing with the e-commerce as far as the article. So if you're gonna do videos and articles matching up, you want to make sure the videos and the articles pertain to the same thing. I didn't find a video on there that kind of mentions e-commerce, so I'm gonna close this out. Go to add new, click here, pickle, hit select. Now what it's gonna do is bring up a page here. And so in order for them to read your article, you can capture their name and their email, and they'll click, and then they'll be able to read the article. Now you can capture a phone number if you like. So you want to hit required to read article. You have to put your name, and so that's an effective lead capture there. And that's why I always want to look at the article, make sure the article is kind of lined up. Now you can add different stuff to your article, like if you want to add an image. It is kind of required that you add an image, but they have their own images here, so they already have preloaded images here. So let's see if we can find e-commerce. So I'm going to kind of choose this image here, hit select, and then it should populate onto my image onto my page. So I'm going to populate this and just click OK, and then it should populate. You got the image uploaded. As you can see, you can capture the name and the email address. You can add a phone number to it if you like. You also can write a title. Let's see. Let's change the title to 9 e-commerce facts. But you get the idea. Let's put 9. But you get. I don't like to put a title there. Let's change the title. If you're in e-com, let's see if you want e-com owner. Let's put that there. Click. Nope. And see, I wouldn't put that there, but just if you can put that, you can put that there, and then you can put a post. You can describe the post. Let's see. Let's put well known facts in this article. But I don't like to put anything there unless it's really if you're really trying to capture something that's. But if you're just trying to post this like I am just to your social media site, you can just put that there. Yeah. So let's see. Field is required. So excuse me, you do have to post that. You just don't have to post the description here. Yeah. Nope. Put something that's ideal. Shopify. Let's see. What can we put as a title? Put well known facts about online sales. So everybody's looking for online sales. Put the number 9 there so they don't. Okay. And then the great thing about this, if you have landing pages that you built already, as you can see, I got different ones here for the repair. So you can put. I'm gonna put the royalty AI there. I'm going to talk about that a little later. Now you can require them putting a phone number down. So if you're into the services, if you're a plumber or something like that, you can put the phone number down and then you can lead capture the phone number. Sorry about this. Thought I have a pop-up blocker down. We can add additional fields. Um, so if you want to add something down here, you can add that. But right now we're just gonna post. Okay, and then you can post it anywhere you like, far as Facebook, Twitter, or your LinkedIn account. So if you're LinkedIn and you need some lead capture, as far as if you're like a plumber or something, you can use this as lead capture. If you're into e-commerce or sales like that, you can use that for your Facebook, Twitter, also for your business pages. Also, you can use these articles for that. So we're just gonna click. Let's try my Twitter here. Share on my Twitter. So we got it posted on my Twitter right here. I got my Twitter handle. Now, when you do initially set this up for the first time, it will ask for your Twitter handle, your Facebook page, and your LinkedIn page. So you don't. So as you can see, I'm already there. I can just hit send. Have you succeeded with publishing your post? Go yes. Okay, then I'm gonna open my Twitter. So yeah, it posted to my Twitter. As you can see, when we hit post, I can hit tweet for that. And then there it is on my Twitter. I can like my own Twitter tweet. So yeah, that's a great lead capture if you're trying to promote one of your businesses there. So yeah, that's very easy. You want to save and exit all the time. You always want to save and exit your stuff. And there is the article. It has two posts because I posted it also to Facebook. But there's my articles. Just by using this, and you don't have to go looking for content. You can actually use this as a lead capture, and we can see it. I can show you what landing page I actually sent it to on the Royaltie AI. One of these pages right here. As you can see, I have different landing pages and different email campaigns. And this is the great thing about Royaltie, it is that you're not breaking the bank with different stuff like ClickFunnels and then also other email campaigns and stuff like that. And just for the little price of getting started, and they give you 5,000 views, so you can actually send it to anywhere in the world if you want. It is global. You can look at one of my prior videos on Royaltie about the global expansion that they expanded to, where you can market it anywhere in the world. Here's my, as you can see, my email campaigns here. And then, okay, we'll see you in the next video. Click below if you like. Click below and subscribe or like the video. Dislike the video if you want. Just make some kind of engagement there. And also you'll get the free link to 1,000 eyeballs for 3 days. Uh, See you next time.